Today, the vaccine of COVID is the biggest weapon available to us to prevent this pandemic. The good news is that vaccines are available to all people 18 years and above. But there is a problem that the supply of vaccines is far less than the number of beneficiaries willing to get vaccinated, due to which there is irregular supply of COVID vaccines in the centers. This situation continues to be a cause of frustration and distress among people who want to get vaccinated. But through a government site, you will easily come to know about the availability and slot of vaccination, and this problem will be completely solved. There is a government site for this, cowin.gov.in, cowin.gov.in. You can see the URL written on the screen. You will find this link in the description written below the video, clicking on which will open this site. Now let's see what facilities are available in this site. You can see that this kind of page will come when the site is open. You can see below it is written, check your nearest vaccination center and slots availability. Scroll further down for checking vaccine availability. A page like this will come in front of you. You will see that it is written search by PIN. In the place below it, you enter the PIN code of your area and then click on the search button. After clicking, the result of slot search will come, in which the details of all such centers in that area where vaccine is available will be shown. If there are more centers, then on scrolling down the entire centers list will be visible. You can filter the search results according to your requirement. You can see which filters are available. These filters are age, cost, which can be paid or free, and vaccine. From this, you can choose according to your need. Then only those results will be shown in the search results which fits your requirement. Now let's understand the results. You will see that the date is written and the detailed information of the vaccine is given below the date. Below the date of July 12, the first vaccine is showing Covishield, and below it the age group of above 18 is written. And this information is also mentioned there that all the slots are booked. This means that the booking of that center has been completed and now you cannot get booking for that center. You can see the name of the center is showing in the leftmost corner, Aadhar Center Ward number 6. In row below, the name of the center is written Dahisar COVID Jumbo 1. Below the date of July 12, you will see in the second row that vaccine name Covaxin is written. The number 4 is written in yellow in the middle, and D1 is written on one side and D2 is written on the other side. D1 means the first vaccine dose and D2 means the second dose of the vaccine. 0 is written below D1. This means that those who have not yet received the first vaccine and want to book for the first vaccine, their slots have been exhausted and they will not be able to book vaccination appointment for the 12th date. 4 is written below D2, which means that for those who want to get the second dose of vaccine, there is still a slot of 4 vaccines available in which they can book appointment for vaccination. Vaccination is done for free in both these centers. You can see in the screen that the centers where the vaccination is chargeable, paid is written next to those centers. Those who could not get the booking due to non-availability of slots, do not be disappointed. You will see that in this page it is written walk-in available. In all centers, Some slots are kept in such a way that there is no online booking, but those slots are kept available for those people who have got their registration done but could not book the appointment for vaccination. Those people can take their registration details and identity card with them and go directly to the center. There they will get the coupon and then they will get vaccinated at the center. You also have another way available. If you see on the page, it is written that the slots are updated at 8 in the morning, at 12 in the afternoon, at 4 in the evening, and at 8 in the night, depending on the availability of vaccines by the states. So if you miss the slot one day, then check it on the next day at these times. When you see the slots available here, click on the book your slot option given above in the page and you can book from there. You can book slots through Arogya Setu app or Umang app. How to book from these apps has been explained in the earlier posted video. Links of those videos are given in the description below. I hope you will protect yourself against COVID by following the given instructions and getting vaccinated soon. Thank you.